Hello guys, good morning. Again, this is Tool and Text Unboxing. So for today, we're going to unbox a mini grinder set na nabili natin sa Shopee ng 77. So let's start. So sa package, ayan, makikita mo, ito yung mismong grinder set. Okay, so meron din tong kasama na senda condenser, pero we're going to review this in a different day. So ito muna tayo sa DC grinder set. Okay, so let's start the unbox. Alright, as you can see, okay naman yung box. Nakabubble wrap naman siya nung dumating. So, safe na safe siya. So, i-open na natin. Alright. So, sa box, ang makikita mo lang dyan is yung number 1, charger. Number 2, drill bits. May iba't ibang bala yan. So, may liha, may drill bit. So, assorted siya. And yung mismong tool. And yung manual. So, manual na lang yan. Okay? So, let's take this away. Alright, so i-test na natin agad kasi pamalaman natin kung gumagana. Okay. Alright. So, check muna natin to. Okay, ayan, malapitan na yan yung itsura niya. Maganda naman, mukha namang matibay, pero hindi siya sobrang tibay as in yung like branded tool. So, it's sturdy, but don't expect yung talagang quality na maganda kasi hindi naman to branded. Tsaka mumurahin lang naman to. But sa first glance, looks okay. Okay? Ayan. So, ang ano niya, is brand niya is TEEDA. Tapos, it's P500-11 model. Power tool, 12 watts. Supply voltage, 12 volts. Load speed, 16,000 RPM. Okay? There you go. So, let's test. Alright. So, alright, it's working naman. Okay, let's try a drill bit. Just like a one drill bit or two. Oh, let's try this one. Okay. Okay. There. Alright. So let's see. Working. So that's it. So as you can see, it's working naman. And maybe some other time I'll try to review kung okay ba yung nabili nating tool. But as for now, unboxing lang muna tayo. Okay? Ayan. You can see iba't ibang mga bala. Okay? There you have it. So again, this is the mini grinder set na nabili natin sa Shopee ng 77 sale. So this is TEEDA with the model number P500-11. Again, thank you for watching. Again, this is Tool and Text Unboxing. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.